This is a continuation of Unit 9, Lesson 2. My video got cut off, so I did not get to finish, but we have these two examples left, and then that will be the end. Okay, so first of all, I have this exponent outside the parentheses, so I have to distribute it to every single base, including the 2. Okay, so 3 on top. So 2 to the 4th, that's 16, so I'm going to go ahead and write that as 16. And I have x to the 4th, y to the 4/7 over 8 x to the 6th, y to the 1/2. There was nothing to do in the denominator like I had to in the numerator. Okay, now 16 and 8 are regular numbers, so I'm going to do the regular operation here, which is to divide. So 16 divided by 8 is 2. And then I have this common base that I'm dividing, so I'm going to subtract the exponent. So I'm going to subtract and put in the numerator. So 4 minus 6 is -2. And then I have 4/7 minus 1/2. Okay, so hopefully the calculator is going to be a little bit better for me. It just did not like where I was pressing on the buttons. Okay, so 4/7 minus 1/2, 1/14. Okay, and so we don't like to leave negatives in our exponents. That just means that it's not simplified. So when we have a negative exponent, that means that it has to move. So right now it's in the numerator. So that x squared would move to the denominator. So I'd finish up 2y to the 1/14 over x. And then when I move the negative exponent, it becomes positive. So +2. And there's my answer. So pause and try this next one. Okay, so what we're going to do is the same thing we did here. I did not have parentheses, so no exponent to distribute. But I have this -10 and 5. Those are regular numbers. So that's -2. Okay, here x to the 1/6 minus x to the 1/4. That's -1/12, and then here y to the 5th, because I subtract exponents. So we'll see how I got that. -1/12 here. So 1/6 minus 1/4 was -1/12. Okay, negative numbers are fine, so this -2 is fine, but I can't leave this -1/12. So that's going to go down to the denominator. So -2y to the 5th over x, and then when I move my 1/12 down, it becomes positive to the 1/12. And that is my final answer. Okay, so that's it for Unit 9, Lesson 2.